because I equal fun.
Carpedia.
There's no snow here, so I guess I must be going sandboarding. Vamos. Here we are, everybody, sandboarding. Let's roll. Got my guy here carrying my board. We're gonna see how this goes. Why not? If you think it's easy walking up a sand dune in snowboarding boots, yeah, think again. Tons of fun. But it's gonna be, which is why you gotta fight through this part of it first. This is gonna be awesome. Just remember, we do this because I equal fun. That's why.
Carpedia.
So that's a wrap on Huacachina sandboarding round 3. You can't get a more mind-bending, more wildly fueled adrenaline experience than this. Step out of the ordinary, subscribe to Cart Media, and don't forget to follow the Puru Guru because he's always got you. I shall see you soon. Ciao. Psh.